platform, dignitaries of the Zoom platform, and all the team leaders, all the team participants, as well as all the office bearers of Maha IP, CIP. Welcome to this quiz program. I will ask Dr. Sada them. He is a Maha IP secretary. Dr. Sadachar, please.
Very good afternoon to one and all dignitaries on the platform, and all the participants. It is said that the match is won one day prior off the grounds in our grey matter, and I think today's contestants have worked so hard, so they have already won, but they are going to participate and show their sportsmanship today. I welcome Dr. Pandrikar sir, Dr. Hemant Gangolia sir, Raigad IIP, Dr. Pandrikar sir, Maha IP President, Dr. Samir Dalwai sir, Dr. Jayan Joshi sir, and all the organizers. Dr. Dabadkar sir yet to join, and over to Dr. Pandrikar sir for welcome address. Dr. Pandrikar sir.
Thank you, Dr. Sadachar. Very good afternoon, one and all. I know you all are excited. Even our viewers are also excited to listen to the today's match. At the outset, I must welcome our today's chief guest, our own friend, IIPN, Dr. Samir Dalwai, who is the Joint Secretary of Central IIP. Dr. Samir Bhai, welcome.
Thank
we
you
all
so
know
much.
him. I think there's no need to introduce him. We all know him.
Thank you.
We have another guest of guest of honor, Dr. Jayan Joshi sir from Pune. He is our executive board member of CIIP. I welcome Jayan Joshi sir. Outset, I must thank Dr. Bakul Bhai Parekh sir, who is our CIP president, and HSG, Dr. Basavaraj sir, for giving us this beautiful platform for this PPL. The Raigad IIP president, Dr. Hemant Gangolia sir, and Vice President of CIP, Dr. Shekhar Dabadkar, yet to join, but we all know he is a very enthusiastic and always helping us. Then the Secretary of Maha IP, Dr. Sadachar, then Secretary of Raigad IP, Dr. Pramod Wankhede, and all the dignitaries. I welcome you on behalf of Maharashtra IIP. I know all the participants, all the teams, they are very eager to play. I welcome the teams from IIP Nashik, IIP Amravati, IIP Usmanabad, and IIP Nanded. I will not take names from each and every participant. I know because all are eager to listen them only. So I welcome all these teams on behalf of IIP Maharashtra. Friends, we have very good bowlers, quiz masters. They are experts, and I know they are going to once again deliver today short pitch balls or the wide balls, or even the outside the balls. Everything, different types of balls, different types of questions they are having. So this, I request all players to just cautious while playing or while hitting the ball. So we have our panelists, we have our quiz masters, we have our bowlers, Dr. Jay Bhandarkar and Dr. Abasaheb Patankar. Please give a big round of applause to them. And of course for Hemant Gangolia sir. So once again, friends, this is a match. Here, which team is going to win, which team is going to lose is not important. Ultimately, it is the IIP is going to win. And someone has very rightly said that even in day before's match, it's the IIP has won. And of course, it's a match. Somebody is going to win or lose. So without taking much of your time, once again, I wish you all the best to all the teams. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Pandrikar sir, for that. Heartfelt thanks to Dr. Samir Bhai, because his father is not keeping well. He was very busy with that. In spite of that, he has come with his spared valuable time of 10 to 15 minutes for us to do a very important job. And Dr. Samir Bhai, please take care of father, or wish him a very speedy recovery as well, Dr. Samir Bhai. And he has the very important work to do, or the important job to do, the honor of naming the teams. So we are having IIP Nashik branch, Amravati branch, Osmanabad, as well as Nanded branch. And as requested to, you have made the lots, and as well what we have did the fourth. Please mute yourself. Anybody. Dr. Dabalkar sir, please mute yourself. And then we have kept the 4 names as Kapil's Dashers and other 3 names. So we are going for the lots who will be the first team who will become Kapil's Dashers. And for that, I will request our chief guest, Dr. Samir Bhai, to do the honor of picking up the first of the lot. Yes, Dr. Samir. Please unmute yourself, Dr. Samir Bhai.
So सर्वप्रथम सर्वांना सप्रेम नमस्कार and thank you very much and honorable respected President Bakul Bhai sir, Basavraj ji, our dear Chandrasekhar Dabadkar sahib, Jayan Joshi sir from CIAP, and then our dear respected Dr. Jayan Pandrikar sir, Dr. Sadachar ji, all members, executive board members of Maharashtra IAP, and Hemant Gangulia ji, and Dr. Pramod Wankade ji, and all office bearers of IAP Raigad. Then all the participants, sports persons, and all the spectators, and of course our dear Jay and Bhandarkar and Abba, who's my classmate and dear friend. Welcome to all of you, and thank you for this honor. And this is, I'll just say 3 words: very innovative, very creative, and very creditable. Because in spite of this great Corona crisis, everybody सर्वांचाच मूड डाऊन आहे. आणि ह्या मूड मध्ये एवढं इनोव्हेटिव्हली करणं म्हणजे ते 10 म्हणजे एक 6 आणि एक 4 एवढं गणित लावणं, ही नावं घेणं खरोखर क्रेडिटेबल आहे. अँड आय थिंक एंटायर IIP all over the country will follow this. So I will not take further time. I have put the 4 chits in this mug. So Hemant Bhai, what is the first team you said? Then I will remove that.
It is the Kapil's Dashers. The name of our team is Kapil's Dashers. So who is this, that brand you are going to pick up that?
Okay, so with everybody's permission, Dabadkar sir, everybody's permission, I'm opening the first chit for Kapil's Dashers, and that team is Nasik.
Very good. So Nashik, sir, please announce. Nashiks are the Kapil Dashers.
Nasik team will be Kapil Dashers. Nasik team, I declare, will be Kapil Dashers. Very good. Zimbabwe ची match आठवण करा. 83 ची.
Yes. The next the Zimbabwe match, the Kapil Dev scored 173.
हेलो मेरा काम है वो. मेरा काम डिस्कस मत करो प्लीज. वो काम करो सिर्फ.
The second team is Dhoni's record setters. Yes, Samir bhai.
For Dhoni's record setters, we have another very favorite popular team from Amravati. Dhoni's record setters, okay. I declare as team Amravati. Wish you all the best.
The third name what we are given to this team is the Ricky's Go-Getters. Ricky Ponting's Go-Getters. Yes, Dr. Samir bhai.
So Ricky Ponting's Go-Getters are going to be from Nanded. So Ricky Ponting's Go-Getters are the Nanded team.
And the last, what the name we have given is Virat's Sons of Pitches.
Virat's Sons of Pitches are none other than our team from dear friends from Osmanabad. So I declare these 4 teams for the 4 names, and wishing all the participants the very best. Hopefully, and wishing the spectators that they have a lovely match to watch. You should get your money's worth. And thank you to all the organizers. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you very much, Samir.
Thank you, Dr. Samir Bhai, to spare your valuable time against such odds which you are facing. Please take care and wish you a very speedy
Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your wishes.
With that, and one more guest of honor, we are having Dr. Jayan Joshi, sir. I will just request him to speak, give his blessings for this quiz competition. Yes, Dr. Jayan Joshi, sir.
Sir, unmute yourself.
Sir,
Jayan Joshi, sir, please unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. All the office bearers of Navi Mumbai branch and Dr. Jay Bhandarkar, Dr. Hemant ji, and Dr. Sadachar, Dr. Bakul Bhai, Dr. Samir, wish your father a very speedy recovery. And I must say, Dr. Jayan Pandrikar sir, very innovative concept. Maha-IIP is doing a great work in spite of this corona crisis. And I was lucky to witness the first episode, the first match also I saw. Anyway, I love watching cricket always. So even watching this type of online academic cricket is also great fun. So I wish all the best to all the 4 teams. The names are also very innovative, Kapil's Bashers. So it's really exciting and looking forward to the event. The concept of academic quiz is excellent. I was very fascinated with even the Bollywood quiz, which was attempted by Dr. Jay Bhandarkar and Dr. Ganguly sir. and it's a very innovative concept. I know a lot of hard work you have to put in getting the information, assimilating, preparing the quiz, and so hats off to you for your efforts also. And let's
Thank
have
you.
a great. All the best.
Thank you.
Namaskar, sir. Thank you very much, Dr. Jain Joshi, sir, for that.
Thank you,
I immediately will share the screen, and then we will start our program. So we will not waste more time now.
First team is Gangulaji. First team.
1 minute. 1 minute.
आज-
declare कर. एक
नाही,
minute. एक minute.
नाही पण बाकीच्यांना म्यूट करा सांगा व्हिडिओ पर्यंत super पडतं.
So this video is already. I will ask everybody to mute, but just a formal introduction for 2 minutes. I will just go through fast. This is a Pediatric Premier League quiz for practicing pediatrics. Is the second knockout match, 26 August 2020. Our quiz masters. I will not repeat the names. Everybody knows this. So with this, we will thank DIP team and all, and host Mahima for that. Experts, we have taken these questions from all the experts. I will just name them: Dr. Mohanty sir, Dr. Mahesh Moite, Dr. Bhagwan Virmole, Dr. Pankaj Deshpande, Dr. Mahesh Sambare, Dr. Bhushan Chavan, Dr. Omkar Khankar, Dr. Omkar Jamadar. You may be witnessing their specialty on the slides, as well as Dr. Chintan Doshi, Dr. Archana Kadam, Dr. Sandeep Kadam, Dr. Nilima Bhandarkar, Dr. Deepak Kulkarni is a dermatologist, Dr. Sagar Warankar, Dr. Saila Patkar, Abbasai Patankar. And these participants for this quiz are Nashik, Amravati, Osmanabad, and Nanded. So we will go in this is the team leader, Dr. Ravindra Sonavane is the team leader from IIP Nashik branch. The members are Dr. Veena, Dr. Praveen, Dr. Milind. So Nashiks are the Kapil Dashers. Then this is the from Amravati branch. Dr. Bhupesh Bond is the team leader. The team members are the Dr. Naresh, Dr. Suraj, Dr. Sailesh. The other team is Dr. IIP Osmanabad branch. The team leader is Dr. Prasad, and the team members are the Dr. Sudhir, Dr. Abhay, Dr. Namdev. Then the another last team is the IIP Nanded branch, which is team leader is Dr. Suhas Bendrikar, and team members are Dr. Sandeep, Dr. Ritesh, and Dr. Martand. And so already Dr. Samir Bhai has named this team. So Kapil's Dashers is IIP Nashik branch. Dhoni's record setters is the Amravati IIP branch. Vicky go-getters are the Nanded branch, and Virat's sons of pitches are the Osmanabad. So now we are going for the first inning. So you have to be the first team. We will go into the Kapil's Dashers, and that is the Nashik team. Before that, I will just ask the quiz master to go through the rules and regulations fast. Yes, Dr. Jay Bhandarkar. Unmute kara, sir. Unmute kara, sir. Unmute kara.
Hello,
Yes.
welcome to each and everybody. Thank you very much for this participation and enthusiastic response. Friends, this is a competition, but there's no competition. You have to enjoy it. There's some rules for it. 4 teams are participating, 4 members each. 2 innings for each team, followed by a super over. Each inning will consist of 4 questions. At a stage, they have to face, and there's 10 runs for correct answer. There's no passing of question to the other team, and time will be 10 to 30 seconds, depend on as per requisite of that needed question. Quiz master will inform you freehand. And other thing, first answer address to the quiz master in the during. Hello, somebody is speaking. Mute yourself, and stipulate time will be registered. I will advise here. When you come for the dais on the further round, announce, this is the team leader. He is going to answer me, so that I can get answer from him. Other people should discuss with him, and then him, not with me. Suppose you discuss with him, quiz master, I will take as the first answer, and the chapter is closed. There is no second answer for that. And other thing, please remember one thing I will tell you later. After 2 innings, there will be super over of 60 seconds. All 4 teams have to face the 60-second super over. In that, direct question will be asked. There is no time in between. You're not given the time to answer the question. Question will ask. You have to answer immediately or say pass. Then I can ask the next question. Again, I will at the time of rapid fire, we will again explain that. And each rapid fire correct answer will earn 10 runs. And another important issue, and how the winner of this knockout match will be decided on runs you totally scored in inning 1, inning 2, and super over. In case of tie on the total runs, extra tie question will be asked to determine the winner. And the quiz master decision is final and binding. And I personally request you, when you're in the rules are followed already, or WhatsApp you everything detail you have given. There's no argument during when this quiz is going on the rules and regulation. For a simple thing, where the live people are watching us. And another thing, while answering question, you must remember, when I put the question on the board and totally describe that question, then time will start. Please don't start discussing before I say your time start, because what happens when I asking the question, we'll look at the question and you start discussing, so that you cannot heard properly the question, as well as my audience will not able to heard that. When I say your time is start, then टाइमर मशीन जब शुरू होगा, टाइम मशीन, तब आप बात कर सकते हो एक बार, और देन करना है, इसके पहले नहीं करना है. Please remember this. You can add, Ganguly ji, if you want anything else.
One more thing, while answering the questions during the quiz questions as well as rapid fire, you have to look at the web camera. So you will be focusing to the quiz master and not looking sideways another. We have kept 4 people to keep a watch whether they are looking at the web camera or not. You should not be looking here and there. You should be facing the web camera and answering the question. I feel so you have got that. Our scorers as well as our 2 colleagues, Dr. Vishal and Dr. Wankhede sir is there. They will be keeping a watch on the videos of these participants, whether they are watching to the web camera and answering the question or not. So with that, yes, Jay, anything to add? Otherwise, we will proceed.
No, where to start now? We are going late. Oh, so first team, please join on the dais. Kapil Dashers, please video on कीजिए, आपका audio भी on कीजिए, और other please each and every person. Other than that, please mute yourself. Please video off कर दीजिए. Thank you very much. Are you ready, sir?
Jay, all other participants, please mute yourself. Everybody except quiz masters, these 4 participants, the 2 scorers. Otherwise, everybody should mute themselves, as well as video should be off. And because of enthusiasm, any of the panelists, they tend to keep their unmute and their answer. That answer should not be prompted. We should not hear that prompting. Yes, Dr. Jay.
Yeah. So friends, here we come. We're waiting for this beautiful evening and beautiful afternoon for this beautiful show. Practicing petition quiz. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we hear the Jeffy's roar? 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Jeffy's. Go Jeffy's. Okay, so this is a welcome for you. Are you ready, sir?
Yes,
First
sir.
ball. So here's a ball for you. See,
Yes, sir.
you should understand this. You are representing Kapil, who is the Kapil Dev, who has brought the first World Cup to India. I will explain that story, how he brought. But there was a beautiful 1983, and with difficult time, right? When the team was very down before semi-final, he scored 175 runs against Zimbabwe in a do and die situation and bring India back into the to win the World Cup. What he said after that inning gives that the team reassurance that we have the ability, we can win under any circumstances, and we can bounce back from any situation. And I think, of course, this also is applied to our doctor community in Corona saga. So you are representing Kapil Dev, and you are representing India, and you will fight against Corona, but by getting knowledge. So here is the first ball for you. हमारे पास में एक बॉलिंग मशीन है, हेमंत जी इनके लिए पहला बॉल आने दीजिए. The bowler is Dennis Lilly. He comes from the pavilion and bowls this first ball. आने दीजिए पिच पे first ball. This is your question. Potassium content of low osmolar ORS in millimole per liter after reconstitution is. Your options are A 5, 10, 15, 20. Your time starts now. I've not heard any answer addressed to the quiz master. I don't take anything. No, please don't discuss after timer is over. There is no point in doing that. So scorer, please note they are not scored any run. The correct answer is 20. Thank you very much.
20 म्हणतो
Not-
मी
you
20
are
सांगितलं
not-
तुला
One,
लक्ष दे ना.
no, please, no discussion. I will say, टीम लीडर कोण आहे तुमचे? हु इज अ टीम लीडर? टीम लीडर आहात तर तुम्ही काय करा की त्यांना तुम्ही विचारू शकता. तुमच्याकडनं डायरेक्ट क्विज मास्टरला आन्सर यायला पाहिजे, लक्षात ठेवा. तर ते पकडलं जाईल. तुमच्यात डिस्कस केलं लक्ष मी द्या. तुमच्यात डिस्कस करून 4 प्रश्न आले तर मग ते चुकीचंच होणार. हा, प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. यू हॅव टू अकस्टम फॉर दिस फॉर्मॅट, राइट? सो हियर इट कम्स द नेक्स्ट बॉलर. अभी नेक्स्ट जो बॉलर है बहुत अच्छे बॉलर है, देखेंगे आप उसको कैसा फेस करते हैं. ये जो बॉलर है बहुत शाहिद अफरीदी, राइट? He's a ऑलराउंडर फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, राइट? वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेयर एंड हैज अ रिकॉर्ड. बॉलर है लेकिन उनका 37 मैच बॉल्स में सेंचुरी का उनका खुद का रिकॉर्ड है. नाउ आप क्या करते हो हम देखेंगे. तो ये बॉल साउथ अफ्रीका आपके लिए. गंगुली जी अपने मशीन में से दे दीजिए कपिल डैशर्स को. So this is your question.
8 to 1%.
एक मिनट. I have already informed you. Don't start speaking before I start the time. Right? Please understand this. Prevalence of congenital heart disease in India is 2 to 4%, 0.8 to 1%, 0.5%, 6 to 8%. Your time starts now.
B, sir. 0.8 to 1%. B, sir. Hello. B.
Yes, I will take the answer B. You're right. तालियां पीज. उनका आंसर बराबर है, राइट? गंगोलिया जी, तालियां किधर गई? गंगोलिया जी, you have to follow rules for you also. Well said. Again, you are doing the mistake. I already explained you. मैं जब प्रश्न पूछ रहा हूँ लास्ट मोमेंट तक, जब मैं टाइम स्टार्ट बोलूंगा तभी आपका आवाज आना चाहिए. उसके पहले फायर और न्यूरॉन्स, you start thinking yourself, then come out. You are getting actually extra time. You are not understanding this. You should concentrate on the question first because you are getting the 7-8 seconds and later on 10 seconds. Please, next ball. गंगुली जी आने दीजिए. रिचर्ड हेडली का बॉल है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल बॉलर. कैसा बॉल है ये फेस करते देखेंगे. दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मोस्ट कॉमन malignant germ tumor in pediatric age group? Your options are yolk sac tumor, embryonal carcinoma, germinoma, polyembryoma. Your time starts now.
अब योगसेक ट्यूमर है.
Yorkshire tumor. A.
Team leader.
Yorkshire tumor.
Sorry, I heard you.
Jai, 1 minute. Jai, 1 minute.
Sir, बोलो.
Hello.
Jai, 1 minute, please.
हाँ.
डॉक्टर वैखारी सोनावणे,
हाँ, मीच आहे, सर.
हा तुम्हाला जेव्हा आन्सर करायचं असेल तेव्हा तुम्हाला 101% कॅमेऱ्यात बघावं लागणार. वी आर मॉनिटरिंग.
Okay. So Yorkshire tumor.
Okay, ठीक है, it's okay. You have answered Yorkshire tumor. That is wrong answer. Please score a note. They have not scored at that time, right? You are running up this time. You are going for a fourth question. That's the last ball of this inning for Kapil Dashers. गंगुलिया जी आने दीजिए इनका चौथा प्रश्न. ये है टाइम पे आपका बॉल, राइट? 15-month-old male child with failure to thrive, diarrhea, fatty stool. Of the following most common possible cause of these illnesses: malabsorption, intestinal parasites, milk protein intolerance, pancreatic insufficiency, immunodeficiency. Your time starts now.
Pancreatic.
Malabsorption. Our malabsorption.
Malabsorption. Malabsorption. A.
Answer?
A.
Jai, one more time.
Okay.
Dr. Sonawne, sir, I'm very sorry to tell you.
हाँ, sir.
This is a protocol that you are supposed to look into only your camera and not here and there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Otherwise, even though your answer is right, answer may not be considered. Unnecessarily, you will be losing marks.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the rule.
Till I take this answer, the
Jai. Dr. Abba Sahib, you are very prompt, and please keep the watch from your side, as well as scorers who are there. They will also be keeping the watch of the videos. While answering, they should face the web camera, not looking here and there. Otherwise, we will not accept the answers. So please let us follow the rules.
It's okay.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
This is the malabsorption is the correct answer. Scored at the time 10 ranks. Thank you very much. So please, Ganguly ji, next team को पाचन कीजिए. Thank you very much.
Scorer. Kapil's Dashers have scored 20 in the innings one.
Okay. प्लीज म्यूट योर सेल्फ, ऑडियो ऑफ कीजिए कपिल डैशर, एंड सी दैट नो वन इज ओवर, आपके आजू बाजू कोई नहीं रहना चाहिए, प्लीज ऑफ कीजिए आपका वीडियो ऑडियो, विद इन 30 सेकंड होना चाहिए। सोनोने साहब,
we welcome.
Hello, Hemanji, can I just come in?
Yes. Yes.
Just request Dr. Jay to give the answer for the third question.
Yes, Dr. Jay answer बोलिए.
कुठे दिले हो तेव्हा आन्सर, मी लक्ष नव्हतं तुमचं
हो
दिलेलं
लक्ष
आहे.
हा बोला ना, जाऊ दे ना.
नाही नाही,
It's
आता
a
नको,
German
पुढे
number.
पुढे चला, पुढे चला, नंतर सर लक्ष द्या, दिलेलं असतं आन्सर, प्लीज आय विल गिव्ह राईट. आणि प्लीज डोंट स्पीक इन बिटवीन एनीबडी, प्लीज म्यूट ऑडिओ व्हिडिओ ऑफ पाहिजे याच्या पार्टिसिपंट शिवाय, नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट. हॅलो प्लीज नेक्स्ट टीम हू इज स्पीकिंग.
अरे जय ते सांगून टाक ना उत्तर तिसरं ते सांगून टाक लगेच,
सांगा.
सांगून टाक.
काय आन्सर सी होता त्याचा, आन्सर सी
जर्मिनोमा.
हा ठीक आहे, सॉरी, ठीक आहे. अरे सर पटपट सांगतो नेक्स्ट.
The second team is Dhoni's record setters. Please, Amravati people, Amravati team leader, they just unmute yourself as well as video on. Amravati, Dr. Rupesh and team.
Yes sir. सर आमच्यापैकी नरेश तायडे आन्सर करेल.
ठीक आहे, ओके. हु इज नरेश तायडे, हात वर करा. कुठे
यस सर
आहेत का?
हो
आहेत, ओके गुड.
Show your hand.
ठीक आहे, चालू करा त्याला. हॅलो, हा येस. So are you ready? Tade Sahib, ready at
Yes.
team?
Yes sir.
So you are representing the Dhoni record setter. You know the captain Kohli is a name. He's debuted in 2004. Started as a ticket collector as his career, but he rise up to the style of became an Indian captain and one of the best finisher of this in this crowd, right? The batsman's crowd, and he just have a record of winning 2020 World Cup as well as 2011 ODI World Cup as a Champions League also. So you represent the absolute magnificent player. I again welcome you all. Thank you for this participating. So आप ये बॉल पहला फेस कर रहे थे, रेडी है आप? आपके सामने आ रहे हैं इमरान खान. देखेंगे आप कैसा ये बॉल फेस करते हैं. तो गंगुली जी अपने मशीन में से इमरान खान का एक बॉल निकाल रही है. तो दिस इज योर बॉल फॉर यू. कॉम्प्लिकेशन ऑफ मम्स, pancreatitis, aseptic meningitis, orchitis, uphoritis, myocarditis, and your time starts now.
Naresh.
Orchitis, sir. Naresh, sir. Orchitis.
See, orchitis. Confirm, sir.
Jay sir, orchitis.
Okay, I take that orchitis and you scored 10 marks in this. 10 runs. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Played well. धोनी ऐसा प्लेयर था कि जब वो पिच पे आता था, the style was very orthodox, not a proper technique, but you able to that temperament. Again, I say the temperament is very important when you face any situation in the life, and quizzing like that only. आपके पास सिर्फ 10 सेकंड है, effectively all आपको 15 सेकंड मिलते, you should do that. So here is the next question, और ये बॉल हमारे आ रहे रॉजर बिन्नी जी, आपको आएंगे और डालेंगे बॉल. आज ये आपका बॉल है. Most common heart disease in Down syndrome is endocardial cushion defect, VSD, PDA, TOF.
A. Endocardial cushion defect.
Jay sir, A. Endocardial cushion defect.
Is team speaker is speaking? Okay.
Yes sir.
Reader,
Dr. Naresh Taide.
I will wait for 10 seconds.
Yeah, sir. Answer.
A.
Okay. I will take your answer. Your answer is quite right. Your score again. धोनी जी रिटायर हो चुके हैं, लेकिन धोनी जी की परंपरा आप लोग जरूर चालू रख रहे हैं कि जो बॉल आ रहा है वो पे छक्का आप लगाते जा रहे हैं. Yes, is the spirit, right? You are doing well, playing well. Again, yes, they're ready for the next ball. And here is a bowler, our from Srinath जी आ रहे हैं. ये bowler, he was a player after Kapil Dev taken over. धुरा त्यांनी घेतली आपली इंडियन क्रिकेटची आणि त्यांनी बॉलिंग चालू केली. तर गंगुलीजी त्याचा एक बॉल येऊ दे आपल्या पिचवर श्रीनाथचा. तो आहे when do the child develop handedness? 12 to 16 months, 16 to 18 months, 18 to 24 months, more than 24 months. Your time starts now.
More than 24 months.
जय सर डी है उसका मोर देन
More than
24
months.
डी जय सर डी कंफर्म
ओके, आप इतना कंफर्म कहते तो आई विल टेक दैट आंसर, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली दैट इज रॉन्ग. दैट इज 18 to 24 months. Sorry. So the question 3 was for you, not scored, right? You are very near. So गंगुलिया जी, अपने पास में हर बॉलर है क्या नहीं है, क्योंकि कोई अलग बॉलर मैं निकालू. ओके ठीक है, मैं काम करता हूँ, मैं शेनवान को ही बुला लेता हूँ, क्योंकि सब जो है कि उसका जो ऐसा बॉलर थे कि वो बोलता था कि मुझे सपने में सचिन तेंदुलकर दिखता है. He used to spin ball from fifth stump to the off stump. So what is the ball for him? Please post on the page. डाल दीजिए अपने मशीन में से बॉल धोनी के लिए. So these are your question. Which is the instrument used to measure the testicular volume? Answer: gonadometer, orchidometer, vernier catheter, measuring tape. Your time
जय
starts now.
सर orchidometer. बी आंसर.
सर बी कंफर्म
जय सर बी आंसर.
Okay,
orchidometer.
your answer is B confirm, and you played well. Again, you scored 10 marks. I congratulate you. You played well. धोनी का नाम आपने रोशन किया है. Always going neck to neck with Kapil Dev. Scorer, please declare the score. What this team have scored in
Yes,
this inning.
Dhoni's record setters have indeed scored very well. They scored 30.
Okay, that's good. Nice. So congratulations. And please mute yourself. Video off कीजिए. और please Ganguly ji, we are running short of time. Next.
Jay, just please acknowledge referees are there or not, Dr. Mohanty sir and Dr. Mahesh Mohanty sir.
Please Ganguly ji, Ricky's go-getters को बुलाइए pitch पे.
It is the team Nanded which are the Ricky's go-getters, so we welcome them.
Your team is there.
Yes, sir.
Who is team leader?
Dr. Ritesh.
Team leader.
Suhas Bindrikar.
So you are representing Ricky Ponting, Australian player, one of the finest captain. And he was the Wisden cricketer of India in 2006, Allen Border medalist, gold 4 times. And he is the best player in the 3 times, ICC best player and Cricket World Cup winner thrice. So fantastically, and he represents Mumbai Indians also in IPL. So please, here is the first question for you on the page from our Ganguly ji. और ये बॉलर आ रहे अब्दुल कादिर जी. ये लेग स्पिन आप कैसा फेस करते हैं देखेंगे. प्लीज ये प्रश्न आने दीजिए पिच पे बॉल. गंगुलिया जी, so how much is the caloric value of mother's milk per ounce? Options are 30 kilocalories, 20, 15 and 25. Your time starts now.
20. Sir, answer is B20. Answer is B20.
Team leader, yes, you are perfectly right. The answer is yes, scored 10 marks in this. Yes, Ricky Ponting spoils party of World Cup, I think 2003 or 4 in South Africa. He hit 134 runs in the final, and we lose that final in South Africa in World Cup ODI. Okay, you have started very well. Think you were fond of Ricky Ponting, very good player. So now, how I will say that Ricky Ponting face Harbhajan Singh. जब राइवरी आपको मालूम था रिकी पॉन्टिंग हरभजन का, वो जब सब होता था, जब दोनों पिच पे रहते थे तो क्या होता था. तो अभी देखेंगे आप हरभजन का बॉल कैसा फेस करते हैं. गंगुलिया सर, प्लीज आने दीजिए बॉल अपना. एक तीसरा बोलते हैं, तीसरा. तो दिस इज द तीसरा फॉर यू. ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ प्लेथोरा एक्सेप्ट हार्ट डिसीजेस, TGA, TAPVC, persistent truncus arteriosus and tricuspid atresia. Your time starts now.
Sir, answer is D, tricuspid atresia. Answer is D, tricuspid atresia.
Okay. Unfortunately, the answer is TAPVC. You're wrong. You're not getting run in this. Thank you very much. So you are going ahead with the third ball. Ganguly ji, hello, no discussion when quiz master is talking and question is over. Please understand this, right? No murmur. Murmur सिर्फ हार्ट में है, इधर नहीं चाहिए. Thank you very much, right? So Ganguly ji, अभी उनको मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा अच्छा बॉलर का हम दे देंगे उनको, तो कैसा फेस करता है वो हम जरूर देखेंगे. So what to do with them? So I will choose a Chinaman Brad Hodge again to score, to bowl them. So ये आने दीजिए बॉल उनके पिच पे, right? So this is your question. If gonads are found bilaterally in the labia majora of 3-year-old phenotypically male, the most probable diagnosis is, your options are Turner syndrome, adrenogenital syndrome, testicular feminization syndrome, and Klinefelter syndrome. Your time starts now.
सी लग रहा है, सी.
Testicular
सी.
feminization. Testicular feminization.
Sir,
syndrome.
answer is testicular feminization syndrome, C.
Leader is speaking. Leader is speaking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Your answer is right. Your score again.
Important question.
Okay, now is towards end of your first inning. तुमचे फिलिंग कसे आहेत? काय वाटतं तुम्हाला? कसं आहे म्हणजे? कॉन्फिडन्स तुमचा वाढलेला आहे कारण तुम्ही स्कोर केलेला आहे लास्ट बॉलवर. सो दिस इज द लास्ट बॉल फॉर यू ऑफ दिस इनिंग. गंगुले सर आपल्या मशीनचं बटन दाबा आणि यू दे पिचवर हा बॉल त्यांच्यासाठी, रिकीसाठी. सो दिस इज युअर क्वेश्चन. केफ रिंगी इज अ ब्राउन डिस्कलेशन ऑफ द आउटर मार्जिन ऑफ कॉर्निया. For the following are the true, except which is wrong. Might not be present in younger children, requires a sleep-like examination, is permanent even after treatment, is present in 95% of patients with neurological symptom, is deposition of copper in descending membrane. Your time starts now.
ऐसे ही दिखता है ना, request.
Sir, answer is C. Sir, answer is C.
Is the team leader speaking?
Yes, sir. Answer is C.
So you are bilkul right. Bingo. Yes, this is a quite tricky question. Then again, I advise you, other participants are listening. आप मुझे क्वेश्चन शांति से पूछने दीजिए. You get 10 seconds more. Please understand this. Don't start thinking. Start thinking. बोलिए मत. Okay. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the second inning. Well played, Nikki. Yes, आपने नाम रोशन कर दिया. Scorer, please. Scorer.
Ricky go-getters have scored excellent 30 the first inning.
Wow, congratulations. Century मार दिया, right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So, here comes the next team. Please call them. Please call them on the dial.
The third team, the last team which is coming is the IIP branch, Osmanabad branch. They are the Virat sons of pitches.
एक म्यूजिक हो जाइए उनके लिए.
डॉक्टर नामदेव.
आर देयर विराट जी. विराट के सब सन्स आ गए हैं. द इंडियाज ग्रेट सन एंड व्हाट अ प्लेयर, राइट? आर यू देयर? प्लीज जॉइन.
जय सर.
प्लीज जॉइन. एक्नॉलेज. नाम ले लीजिए अपना. नाम ले लीजिए. टीम हु इज द टीम लीडर?
डॉक्टर प्रसाद.
प्रसाद, yes. Are you there? Are you excited?
नाही सर. आमच्या टीम कडून ना डॉक्टर नामदेव बिराजदार आन्सर करतील सर.
Okay, Namdev Birazdar, he is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Namdev ji, congratulations and best of luck. And as well as you are Namdev Birazdar, right?
Yes, sir.
So I will looking after you only. मेरा भी वीडियो में देखूंगा. मैं सिर्फ आपके तरफ देखूंगा, right? That's the thing, right? So कसं नामदेव जी काय वाटतं तुम्हाला? कसं चाललंय म्हणजे आमचं हे PPL?
खूप चांगलं आहे सर.
चांगलं आहे. मला छान नॉलेज मिळते की नाही? तुम्हाला कसं वाटतं?
येस सर, खूप चांगलं नॉलेज मिळते.
बॉल्स फार अवघड आहेत का असं वाटतं का तुम्हाला?
मिक्स आहेत सर.
मिक्स आहेत कारण प्रत्येक ओव्हर मध्ये फुलटॉस नाही मिळणार, प्रत्येक ओव्हर मध्ये हाफ बॉल नाही मिळणार, थोडा गुगली मिळणार, तिसरा मिळणार, नो बॉल. सो अगेन वी आर गोइंग अहेड. सो प्लीज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू द टीम Virat, son of pitches. Virat was a great player, won 3 ICC awards in a single year, and he was an ICC Test Playoff year also. And in 2018, awards all the awards. So please, the first question, first ball to them. All of the following are the examples of plethora, except ASD, VSD, TAPVC in single ventricle with PS. Your time starts now.
D sir, single ventricle with PS.
लीडर से मुझे आंसर आ गया है, लेकिन आई वेट फॉर 10 seconds, but your answer is right. Your score on the first. विराट कोहली हा असा प्लेअर आहे की तोच सचिन तेंडुलकरचे रेकॉर्ड तोडेल असं वाटतंय. सो मला असं वाटतं की तुम्ही ते करणार आहात असं मला तुमच्या बॉडी लँग्वेज वरून कळतंय. तर हा दुसरा बॉल तुमच्यासाठी. हेमंत गंगुलीजी, दुसरा बॉल येऊ देत विराट साठी. Virat, a question for you. Which investigation you will order first for a 5-year-old child having loose motion for 12 to 14 times in a day with blood in stool? He's a febrile, toxic, and has a dehydration of 5%. CBC, stool routine, stool culture, none. Your time starts now.
CBC, sir.
Are you confident, team leader? Because one team leader answer is the direct answer. Yes, sir. So I'll take the answer as a CBC. And your answer is wrong. Sorry, sir. You're wrong. Please remember, if team leader answer directly the quiz question, quiz master is no chance of getting another. There is no chance for getting another answer. So sorry for that. So the scorer.
जे answer सांगा.
Answer none. Nothing is required. Directly तुम्हाला तिथं basic descent is direct दिसते आपल्याला तिथे. It is not required any investigation. Treatment चालू करा direct. Thank you very much. It was simple, but it was a terrific googly. So the third question for the with Virat. तो गंगुली जी प्लीज बुलाइए हमारे नेक्स्ट बॉलर जो बहुत अच्छे बॉलर है, ब्रूस रीड, ऑस्ट्रेलियन. कैसा बॉल करेंगे हमारे विराट कोहली को देखेंगे. आने दीजिए फर्स्ट बॉल. ये बॉल तीसरा बॉल उनके लिए. So here's the question for you. Lucid interval is classically seen in each win variant of cranial injury. Options are intracranial hematoma, acute subdural hematoma, chronic subdural hematoma, and epidural hematoma. Your time starts now.
धर्मा सी आहे का? धर्मा सी आहे ना?
अभय सांग सी.
Okay, I have not heard anything. Namdev ji, sorry, you are not attempted. So you are not get any score for this. The real answer is D, epidural hematoma, classical lucid interval. Okay. Thank you very much. So we are going ahead. The next is the fourth question, last question of this inning, and last question of the last team. And before the end of the first inning, and Virat Sons, you are facing. You are very important. You score only 10 marks. Now you have the chance to score on this fourth ball. Ganguli ji, please, एक ball आ नीचे pavilion पे. So here's the question. Hand-foot mouth disease is one of the more distinctive rash syndrome. It is most frequently caused by Coxsackie virus A16, Coxsackie virus A16, enterovirus 71, Coxsackie virus B2, Coxsackie virus B12. Your time starts now.
It is B, Coxsackie virus A16.
Namdev ji speaking.
B, Coxsackie virus A16.
B. You are saying Namdev. तुम्ही बोलता है?
Yes, Namdev.
Okay, I will take the answer and you are scored 10 marks. Congratulations again. टाळ्या होऊन जाऊ देत. बरोबर आहे. उत्तर त्यांचं. So thank you very much. You played very well. Congratulations, scorer, madam.
Yes. Virat Sons of pitches have scored 20 in the first innings.
All scores. All scores.
Yes.
All scores, Sangha.
At the end of the first inning.
Kapil's Dashers have scored 20. Dhoni's record setters have scored 30. Ricky Go-Getters have got 30. And Virat Sons have got 20.
So, friends, this is the end of the first inning. Now, I request our next quiz master, Abba. Are you there? Abba, please unmute yourself, Abba. Unmute kara.
Yes, sir, I am there, sir.
Yes,
Dr. Jay, Dr. Abba, if you before you start, the winner and runner of the final to be held on the 2nd September will be going to this West Zone Digital Pedivic Paschim Run. Dr. Dabarkar is there. For 1 minute he can speak. For 1 minute he can speak. Dr. Dabarkar sir, please.
Dabarkar sir will be talking later on, not now.
Hello.
Yes, he's there. Yes.
Dr. Dabarkar sir,
yes, sir. Dignitaries and friends, I wish you best luck. Remember that this life is to create happiness. We are creating happiness and don't have much competition. Just enjoy the journey and not destination. one of the team will definitely go in final. I wish you best luck. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bye. Hemant and Jay and Abha, Wankhede, Ingve madam, you have been excellently well. Congratulations. Keep up.
Thanks,
Bye.
sir. Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir. So,
welcome.
Dr. Abha is there?
Yeah, thank you.
So we are welcoming again for the second, welcoming for second innings.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Jay. Wonderful inning, first inning. All have played very well. मित्रांनो, खूप चांगली इनिंग झाली, खूप चांगली बॉलिंग बघायला मिळाली, खूप चांगली बॅटिंग बघायला मिळाली, खूप चांगले शॉट्स बघायला मिळाले. कोणी छक्के मारले, कोणी चौके मारले, कोणी रनआउट झाले, कोणी घाई केलेली हिट विकेट होऊन पण निघून गेले. तर ह्या वेळेला आपल्याला थोडंसं जरा हे बदलाय. आपण थोडं आता मॅच्युअर झालो, एक इनिंग खेळलो. आता आपण दुसऱ्या इनिंग मध्ये जाताना आपण थोडंसं नियमांच्याकडे लक्ष ठेवून आपण काम करूया. तुम्हाला जय सरांनी सांगितलेलं आहे, प्रश्न वाचत असताना 7 ते 6 सेकंद मिळतात, तुम्हाला 7 सेकंद मिळत आहेत आणि टायमर वरती तुम्हाला 10 सेकंद मिळतात आणि तुम्ही 4 ब्रेन लागलेले आहात, तुमचे 10 सेकंद म्हणजे इफेक्टिव्हली यू हॅव गॉट लिटिल मोर एक्स्ट्रा टाइम म्हणून. तर शांतपणे प्रश्न बघा, घाई करू नका. थोडी गुगली असते कधी, त्याच्यामध्ये उत्तर माहित असताना देखील आपण घाई केल्यामुळे चुकतो. तर शांतपणे पहिला प्रश्न ऐका आणि मग उत्तर द्या. गंगोलिया सर आमचे बॉलर, हमारे लिए गजोदर भैया. The most powerful person at present is Gangolia sir. Sir, इस टीम के लिए आप पहला बॉल डाल दीजिएगा. The first question to you is, how much elemental iron needs to be ingested to cause significant iron poisoning? Your options are A 10 mg per kg, B 20 mg per kg, C 30 mg per kg, D 40 mg per kg. Your time starts now.
40.
I think C.
C 30 mg per kg. C 30 mg per kg. C.
Your answer is registered C 30 mg per kg. I am very sorry. It is 20 mg per kg. Answer is wrong. आयर्न पॉइझनिंग मध्ये आपल्याला 2-3 गोष्टी महत्वाच्या असतात. आयर्न पॉइझनिंग मध्ये आपल्याला एलिमेंटल आयर्न किती याच्यामध्ये आहे. तर कोणी मला एक साधा प्रश्नाचं उत्तर देऊ शकतं का? फेरस सल्फेट मध्ये किती % एलिमेंटल आयर्न असतं? ओके, विल मूव टू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. गंगोलिया जी, आप तैयार है क्या? ओके, योर क्वेश्चन, सेकंड क्वेश्चन ऑन द बोर्ड. Which is the most common rhythm seen in young children prior to cardiac arrest? Your options are A bradyarrhythmia, B atrial flutter, C ventricular fibrillation, D atrioventricular block. Your time starts now.
Answer is A.
A. Bradyarrhythmia. A.
Your time ends here and your answer is A, which is the right answer. गंगुलिया जी, कुछ तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए. खाता खोल दिया इस इनिंग का. कांग्रेचुलेशन. थोड़ा घाई से तीसरी क्वेश्चन की तरफ मुड़ते. गंगुलिया जी, तीसरा बॉल लेके तैयार है? बॉल डालिए सर. प्लीज look at the picture carefully and answer. Question is, which clinical condition is associated with empty delta sign on contrast CT scan of brain? Your time starts now. Okay, your time ends here. I had asked you to look at the picture carefully, and I also said that it is the empty delta sign which is seen. You can definitely see on the screen that there is a delta which is empty, means there is a black spot which is there and which is enhanced by a triangle, which is a classical of dural vein sinus thrombosis. And you have missed this again, you lose the mark for this. We move to the third question. Fourth question. Okay. This time be careful. This is going to be your last question. Gangolia sir, are you ready?
Yes,
Kindly put the question. Please listen carefully. You have got enough time. 9-month-old baby presented with recurrent episodes of diarrhea, oral thrush, and failure to thrive. Started shortly after birth. Which is the most common immunodeficiency seen in such presentation? Your options are A, hyper IG syndrome. B, defect in phagocytic cells. C, deficiency in
Our answer C, deficient T cell function है.
defect
Our T cell function deficiency. Third C.
कौन बोलता है? कोण बोलताय? कोणी आन्सर केलं आहे? पण माझं बोलणं संपायच्या अगोदर टायमर स्टँड मी कदाचित हा प्रश्न तुम्हाला जरी उत्तर बरोबर असेल किंवा चुकीचं असेल तरी हा मी प्रश्न डिलीट करू शकतो. यू आर व्हायोलेटिंग द रूल्स. मला सांगितलेलं आहे सुरुवातीला की when I will say the time starts now, then and then only you are supposed to discuss amongst yourselves. So anyway, this is the final warning to all others who are seeing this quiz. So what is your answer? Final answer?
C, deficiency in T cell function.
Okay, this answer is taken, but see to it that you are following the rules. This answer is right. Congratulations to you. Order, madam. आमच्या कपिल डॅशरचा स्कोर काय झाला?
Kapil Dashers have scored 20 in innings 2.
आणि पहिल्या इनिंग मध्ये किती होते?
First inning also 20, so total stands at 40.
Congratulations, Kapil Dashers. You have got 40 runs on board. And you have one inning to go. That is called a super over, which will be rapid fire. I think you will do very well in that. So, all the best to you for that round. Team B. Gangolia sir, Team B कुठली आपली?
धोनी रेकॉर्ड सेटर्स.
ओके, आहेत का ते सगळे आलेले?
IIT अमरावती.
वेलकम दोन्हीच टीम. तायडे सर आपण हे आहात ना? लीडर आहात ना? ओके, व्हेरी वेल प्लेड इन युअर लास्ट इनिंग. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स.
थँक्यू सर.
बॉल तुमच्यासाठी. गंगुल्या सर, put the first question. Which is a mismatch in the following pairs? Salicylates equal to soda bicarb, iron phosphorus and atropine, methemoglobin and methylene blue, calcium channel blocker and insulin, tricyclic antidepressants and flumazenil. Which is the mismatch? The time starts now.
E है सर.
नरेश.
B है. Tricyclic antidepressant. Last option.
Tricyclic depressant.
Ideally speaking,
Apasaheb sir.
I know. Ideally speaking, again you have
Hello?
mistake here.
Hello,
You
आवाज
are
येते का रे?
supposed- Hello sir.
Hello.
आवाज येते?
ऐका जरा. तुम्ही काय करताय माहितीये का? तुम्हाला दिलेला वेळ ना तुम्ही फुकट घालवताय. तुमच्यामध्ये तुम्ही डिस्कस करून क्विज मास्टरला ऍड्रेस करायला पाहिजे. बिफोर 10 seconds. If you answer after 10 seconds, your answer may not be taken. But I heard that Taide was talking about tricyclic antidepressants and he is a team leader. So I'll grant this time. But see to it that next time it won't be granted. You have to
Yes,
address. Okay?
Yes sir. Yes.
Your question, your answer is right.
नरेश
Now I wait.
नरेश सर confirm म्हणा. नरेश सर confirm म्हणा.
Let me ask. Sir, will I get the first slide, previous slide? Gangolia sir? Just I want to know from Naresh Taide sir and the team of Dhoni's.
सर आवाज नाही येत आहे सर मधामधात.
माझा आवाज येत नाहीये?
हा मधामधात आवाज
नाही येत आहे. नाही येत आहे.
बर आता येतोय व्यवस्थित. ओके सर, ह्याच्यामध्ये जो डी ऑप्शन आहे आपल्याला कॅल्शियम चॅनेल ब्लॉकर्स आणि त्याची पेअर आहे इन्सुलिन सोबत, त्याच्याविषयी तुम्हाला काय लाईट टाकता येतो का?
इन्सुलिन जे आहे म्हणजे हायपर इन्सुलिनिमिया मध्ये आपण कॅल्शियम चॅनल ब्लॉकर नायफेडिपिनचा काही रोल आहे सर, आणि ट्रीटमेंट मध्ये त्याच्यामुळे इट्स कॉज द हायपोकॅल्सिमिया इंट्रासेल्युलर शिफ्ट करतं.
Calcium channel blockers are known to cause hyperglycemia, and in that insulin is the treatment
of choice.
Okay, anyway, next question. Gangolia sir,
दोन्ही
गोष्टी.
हॅलो पार्टिसिपंट इन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे, तुम्ही फक्त ऑप्शन ई म्हणा ना, डिटेल बोलत काही गरज नाही तुम्हाला.
गरज नाही.
वेस्टिंग टाइम. ई फक्त म्हणा आवर आन्सर इज ई, फिनिश. ई आणि असं पण सांगतो मला, असं म्हणा ई इज आवर आन्सर. ई आलं की झालं काम तुमचं.
ओके सर.
so very well played, congratulations on good answer.
सरांना ऍड्रेस करशील.
Okay. Your question 2. Gangolia sir, kindly put the question.
सर आवाज मधात सर.
Sir, Gangolia sir, kindly put the question. Which of the following is not a sign of raised ICT? Pupillary dilatation, fourth cranial palsy, systemic hypertension, bradycardia, and extensor posturing. Your time starts now.
नरेश
भूपेश
सर
बी
बी ऑप्शन
आन्सर आहे रे भूपेश.
डी 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 ऑप्शन
बरोबर आहे ना बी?
डी
फोर्थ क्रेनियल नाव पाल्सी.
आबासाहेब बी आहे आन्सर.
Okay, your answer is right. Congratulations to you on this also. गंगोल्या सर, दिस टीम
आवाज गेला.
धोनीची लोक फार सुंदर खेळतायत. धोनी
आवाज जातोय.
आबा द पर्सन इज टेलिंग आवाज येत नाही ना. द प्रॉब्लेम इज ॲट युअर एंड बिकॉज आय एम हिअरिंग इज व्हॉइस व्हेरी क्लिअरली. इज व्हेरी क्लिअर. Probably the problem is at your end, recipient end. Please check your net.
Dhoni's team.
Yes,
Dhoni's
voice is very clear.
Okay, Dhoni's team.
Okay.
Can you please increase the volume of your system?
एक मिनिट, ज्यांना ऐकायला येत नसेल त्यांनी आपल्या लॅपटॉपला डिव्हाइसचे व्हॉल्यूम फुल करावं प्लीज. येस आबा.
धोनीची टीम खूप सुंदर खेळत आहे. धोनी माझा अतिशय आवडता प्लेअर आहे. त्याचा हेलिकॉप्टर शॉट वरती तर आम्ही फिदा आहोत. बघूया आपण तुमचा तिसरा क्वेश्चन काय येतो. गंगोल्या सर, तिसरा क्वेश्चन टाका. व्हॉट इज पिनोलेप्सी अँड विच इज अ ड्रग ऑफ चॉईस? युअर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ.
नरेश सर.
नरेश सांग.
It is whenever the
your time ends, you could not answer this question. Anybody wants to try still after time? Marks will not be given. You can. I will offer 5 seconds more.
Sir.
tapping on forehead may cause convulsion and drug of choice is valproate.
Okay. Pinolepsy is nothing but absence seizures and the drug of choice is Ethosuximide or Voltaren. गुरुजी यांना या वेळेला मार्क देता येत नाहीत. आपल्याला खूप चांगले खेळतात, पण आम्ही थोडी गुगली टाकायचा प्रयत्न केला होता आणि त्याच्यामध्ये थोडे ते फसले गेलेले आहेत. यावेळेला त्यांना मार्क कमवता नाही आलेले आहे. व्हेरी सॉरी फॉर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस क्वेश्चन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट प्रॅक्टिकल क्वेश्चन. आपल्याला ईव्हीएम माहिती आहे? ईव्हीएमचा अर्थ सगळ्यांनी माहिती आहे का? ईव्हीएम कुठे असते? ईव्हीएम. आता थोडं क्विजच्या बाहेर जाऊन जर इलेक्शनच्या मैदानात
इलेक्शन मध्ये वोटिंग
काय आहे ते? काय आहे?
मशीन.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीन.
अरे क्या बात है. गंगोल्या सर, तुमच्याकडे पण काही मशीन आहे का? एखादी
काढली ही मशीन
टाका. मशीन टाका. व्हॉट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ VVN? How it is read and what is the significance? You have to answer. Wait. You have to answer 3 questions. Then only you will get the mark. And your time starts now.
Abasaheb sir, VVM is also known as vaccine vial monitor, and it is read as a inner is a square and outer is a circle. So if both inner and outer are equal or more darker, that means that vaccine cannot be used. And when they are faint or white, then only we can use that vaccine.
Very perfect answer. Congratulations to you. हा प्रश्न आम्ही मुद्दाम ठेवला होता एवढ्यासाठी की आपल्याकडे हे VVM असणारे पोलिओ व्हॅक्सिन आणि व्हॅक्सिन असतात. आपण 10 वेळा ते काढतो घेतो, पण आपलं लक्ष त्याच्याकडे कधीच नसतं. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स वी फॉरगेट टू सी दॅट मार्क अँड द कलर ऑफ द मार्क. So it is very essential all the time. You have to be careful, especially in a COVID setting. आपल्याला आता काय फक्त व्हॅक्सिनचे पेशंट मिळतात मॅक्झिमम. तर सगळ्यांनी काळजी घ्या. VVM वरती लक्ष ठेवा. Very well done, madam. Scorer, madam.
Yes. Dhoni's record setters have done it again. They have scored 30 in the second innings, and they have scored 30 again in the first innings. So their total stands at 60.
So congratulations to you. And who is our next team, sir? Gangulia sir, आपली तिसरी टीम कोण आहे?
आपले रिकी को-ग्रेटर्स, the IIP Nanded branch.
Congratulations Nanded team for playing excellent in first inning.
Thank you, sir.
Very excellent. त्याच्यामध्ये मला संदीप पाटीलचं नाव घ्यावं असं वाटतंय. आम्ही गुगली टाकली होती, पण त्यांनी ती चांगली हँडल केली. संदीप, कुठली गुगली होती? संदीप, कुठल्या प्रश्नात गुगली होती अशी की आपण कॅलरी व्हॅल्यू असते ती 100 ml असते, तुम्हाला आउन्स मध्ये केलं होतं आणि त्या गुगलीला तुम्ही फार छान खेळले. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन ऑन दॅट आन्सर. सो तुमच्यासाठी हा पहिला प्रश्न आमच्या बॉलर कडून. गंगोले सर, पहिला प्रश्न टाक. following is not a symptom of OPC poisoning, that is organophosphorus poisoning. The options are A, meiosis, B, emesis, C, salivation, D, bradycardia, and 4, urinary retention. Your time starts now.
Sir, answer is B, emesis.
Since this answer has been registered by Suhas Bendrikar, who is a team leader, and I'm very sorry to tell you that your answer is wrong. Salivation is also wrong. Now you go on going meiosis and this and that and that. The answer you did not see what is that. It is an organophosphorus compound. Answer is urinary retention, and that you have forgot. Okay. Anyway, bad luck this time, but last time you have done very well. I hope you are not going to miss anything from remaining 3 questions. Question 2. Gangolia sir, question 2 taka. Answer this question very peacefully, read properly. All the following are red flags in evaluating a patient with syncope, except your options are 1, exercise-induced syncope, B, pre-syncopal feeling of dizziness, C, palpitations or chest pain, D, family history of sudden death, early death, or arrhythmia. Your time starts now.
Sir, answer is B, pre-syncopal feeling of dizziness. Is B.
Your time ends and your registered answer is B. Bendrikar sir, B ka.
Sir, it's pre-syncopal feeling of dizziness means aura is there. So it won't happen in syncope.
Congratulations. Very well. Very well. Any patient of syncope, we are supposed to be very careful because syncope may not be just a simple syncope. There may be associated cardiac or neurological element which is hidden, and you have to find out that. You have to investigate properly. So Gangolia जी इस बहुत बेहतरीन आंसर के साथ हम लोग मुड़ते हैं तीसरी क्वेश्चन की तरफ.
I am hearing the murmur. Please, other than जो डायस पे है, please mute yourself. Thank you very much.
Okay. अभी आपका second last third question. Gangolia जी, kindly put the third question. This is a kind of a Google. All people, please listen to this. What is the full form of pandas? Time starts now.
Sir,
बोलो ना
Very sorry. I am very sorry because time given was 10 seconds and it did not start within 10 seconds. It started after 10 seconds, but still he could not complete that question. I'll give you 5 seconds more. May not give you the marks, but I would like to hear the answer from you.
Pediatric autoimmune neurological dysfunction associated with stroke.
Excellent, Bendrikar sir. It's a post-streptococcal infection. It is an inflammatory disorder, and a very good answer from your side. But I cannot offer you mark because it answered after time. And this is your last question. Gangolia sir, kindly put the last question for them. They are playing very beautifully. Which of the following? I will definitely not take this question because Sandeep Patil started talking before I talked. If you permit me, even though you give the right answer, I may give you 0 marks. Because violation of the quiz rules has to be strict, and this is the 3rd or 4th time which is happening. Otherwise, there is no point in conducting a virtual quiz. Virtual quiz has got a very difficult to organize and make it to the success. So one has to follow the proper guidelines. So I'll discard this question from my side and I'll go for another question. The question which is there, I'll ask from my question set, and time will start now. What is the difference between? Are you getting me?
Are you getting the screen? Sir, on the screen question is not.
There is not going to be screen because you have missed it. You started before. You tried to violate the rule. Okay. What is the difference between the dural sinus veins and the cerebral veins? Your time starts now.
Dural silencers don't have walls.
Time ends. You are very close, Suhas Bendrikar. I have to really appreciate your enthusiasm and the depth of the knowledge. But without walls, how vein would be there? There is no muscular layer in the dural sinus. But congratulations for this beautiful attempt. And I cannot offer you any mark for this because we have to be a bit strict. Madam, how much is the score?
Ricky Gogato in the second innings have scored 10. And in the first inning, they had scored 30. So total stands at 40.
Excellent. 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 Very well played, Nanded team. Very well played. Little enthusiasm has created some problem with you. But I congratulate you for your good depth of knowledge. And I wish you all the best. And in a coming runner-up, whatever I can call it as a super over round, you will definitely do the best. Bendrikar sir, take care.
Thank you, sir.
Gangolia sir, अपनी आखिरी टीम है. कौन सी टीम है अपने पास?
They are the Virat Sons of Pitches. So we welcome IIP Osmanabad.
Oh, Osmanabad team, very good. उस्मानाबाद टीम वेलकम. सगळे आले का उस्मानाबादचे? बघा सर, गंगोले सर सगळे आले का? दिसत नाही मला कोणी.
आमचा आवाज एकमेकांना येत नाहीये सर.
मला टीम सगळे आलेली दिसत नाहीये. बिरादर फक्त दिसतात. बिरादर दिसतात, मुळे दिसतात, शैलेश दिसतोय आणि प्रसाद दिसतोय. 4 जण दिसतात. आर दे 4?
हॅलो,
मुळे सर दिसतात.
आमचा आवाज एकमेकांना येत नाहीये सर.
तुम्हाला एकमेकांचं चालतं काय? हरकत नाही. तुमचा मला मिळाला म्हणजे झालं.
Prasad, Sudhir, Abhay and Namdev.
Okay.
Prasad, Sudhir, Abhay and Namdev.
All four can be seen on the screen.
Okay.
So welcome you for this last round of second inning. In previous inning, you have played very good. You have answered very well, but you could score only 20 marks. I wish if you play very patiently. One question, let me ask you. You were there to witness the last quiz. Did you attend the last quiz?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes,
then
sir.
this is going to be very easy for you. Okay, Team D, be patient, be watchful, be communicative, be firm, be confident, and answer the questions. Your first question on the board, Gangolia sir. Which is the skin color noticed in carbon monoxide poisoning? Your options are A, blue, B, pale, C, normal, D, gray, and E, cherry red. Your time starts now.
Sir, E, red, cherry red. E, cherry red.
Yes, cherry red. Yes.
Cherry red.
Yes, I will go with that. Cherry red.
Your time ends and your registered answer is cherry red, which is the right answer. We offer you 10 marks. Gangolia sir, टाळ्या वाजवा. हे कार्बन मोनॉक्साईड पॉइझनिंग जे आहे ना, आजकालच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये फार खूप वाढलेलं आहे. बरेच वेळा काही डॉक्टर्स देखील ह्या कार्बन मोनॉक्साईड पॉइझनिंगने डेथ झालेलं पाहिलेलं आहे. तर हे कार्बन मोनॉक्साईड पॉइझनिंग रुटीनली कुठे होतं घरामध्ये?
सर, क्लोज बर्न जे आहे, क्लोज बर्न मध्ये रिलीज होतं सर. बर्निंग.
बाथरूम कोण म्हणाल? पण बाथरूम मध्ये नुसतं बाथरूम मध्ये आंघोळ गेल्याने कसं काय होणार? बाथरूम मध्ये काय गोष्ट आहे ती?
लिक्विफाईड पेट्रोलियम. गिझर्स.
कुठले गिझर?
गॅस
गिझर. नॉट द इलेक्ट्रिक गिझर. इट इज अ गॅस गिझर विच कॉजेस द कॅज्युअलिटी. आम्ही हा प्रश्न पॉइझनिंग मध्ये पण घेतला होता. टू एज्युकेट द पीपल की बाबा तुम्ही गॅस गिझर जर घरात वापरत असाल तर तुमच्या खिडक्या उघड्या ठेवा. जेव्हा तुम्ही पाणी भरत असाल आंघोळीच्या वेळेला बंद करा. त्याच्यानंतर दरवाजे उघडे ठेवा. तुम्ही गॅस गिझर चालू असताना आंघोळ करू नका, कारण तुम्हाला स्वतःला कळणार नाही की तुम्ही कधी अनकॉन्शियस झालात, पडलात आणि लोकांना वाटेल हा अजून आंघोळ करतोय आणि यू मे बी फाउंड डेड. ओके, द क्वेश्चन 2. Gangolia sir, kindly put the question 2. Rapid and deep breathing without other signs of respiratory distress is seen in following conditions except. Your options are like A, diabetic ketoacidosis, B, renal tubular acidosis, C, encephalitis, and D, heart failure. Your time starts now.
Sir, D, heart failure.
Yes, D. It is
heart failure.
Sure.
Heart
failure. Yes.
your registered answer is heart failure. Why?
Heart failure, there is congestion causes swallow and rapid breathing, sir.
Yes.
Swallow and rapid breathing. What was
Swallow breathing, swallow. Distress.
There are signs of respiratory distress in heart failure. Signs of
respiratory
will be there in
distress are
heart
seen
failure.
in heart failure. Otherwise, all other options where they are more of a metabolic or CNS. So there you get only deep breathing or more of a tachypnea rather than respiratory distress. So your answer is right. We offer you 10 marks. Gangulia ji, तालियां हो जाए. Second last question of your inning. You are playing very well. Gangulia sir, third question के लिए आप तैयार हो जाइए. Your third question is like this. Be एकदम शांतपणे प्रश्न वाचा. 9-month-old child came for MMR1 vaccination, but mother says he has received rabies immunoglobulin 3 weeks back for a dog bite. So when you want to give the MMR1 vaccine to this child, on the day of visit, after 1 month, after 3 months, or after 4 months?
Hello,
Your time starts now. Your time starts now.
3 or 4. C or D? C or D. Sir, C. Answer is C, sir. Answer C.
Your time ends. Your registered answer is C. And this was like a googly. I'm very sorry. Your answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. Your answer was, you are near to the answer. Your answer was 4 months. When immunoglobulin, rabies immunoglobulin is given, other live attenuated virus vaccines can be given at 3 months, but MMR has to be given after 4 months. You are quite near close. You missed it, and this was the googly from our side, but you could not make it. Anyway, next, last question for you. If this is the question which is for Dhoni, even though there is no Dhoni in your team's name is not Dhoni, but you are playing like Dhoni. So if you hit a helicopter shot, I will offer you 10 more marks on my side, may not be counted. Okay, be ready. And Gangulia sir, हमारे गजोदर भैया वही शक्तिमान है आज के, डालो. What is the meaning of this symbol in genetics? Your time starts now.
Sir, adoption.
The answer has come from Dr. Biradar.
Adoption.
And so we have taken it very positively. And that's the reason I asked whether you had gone for you have seen the previous quiz or not. So Biradar, I want to ask only one question. I'm very happy. When you got this, how did you find that? When you come across this symbol first time?
Yesterday only, sir. You asked one question that monozygotic twins. So I see that chart.
Actually, तुम्हाला सांगू हा प्रश्न मुद्दाम टाकला होता. हा एवढ्यासाठीच टाकला होता की बाकी सगळे जे कंटेस्टंट आहेत, सगळ्या टीम, आपल्या ज्या सगळ्या टीम आहेत, त्या सगळ्या टीमने क्विज बघायला पाहिजे. ऍक्च्युली आमचं प्लॅनिंग असं होतं की एकदा जेनेटिक्सचा क्वेश्चन असा टाकला की पुन्हा टाकायचं नाही, पण आम्ही मुद्दाम तो टाकला हे बघण्यासाठी की तुम्ही क्विज बघून अभ्यास करताय की नाही. So you people are really for it. Congratulations, this team. Madam, या टीमचा स्कोर काय झाला सांग.
Very honest.
Yeah. Virat's son of pitches have scored 20 runs in their first innings, and in second innings they have scored 30, and the total stands at 50.
Congratulations to you, and this is
all 4 teams.
All 4 teams.
Score sanga, madam.
All 4 teams.
Yes.
Madam sanga.
Kapil's dashers are at 40, Dhoni's record setters are at 60, Ricky's go-getters at 40, and Virat's son of pitches at 50.
So congratulations all the team and all the best to all the team. This is Dr. Avasai Patangar signing off from today.
Okay.
And I'll be joining directly in the finals. So be ready with your great confidence, and I want all of you to be there to watch this final. Thank you for opportunity, Dr. Gangulia sir, Maha IAP and Central IAP. Thanks a lot for my comparers, my scorers, my well-wishers, my friends, and all those who are watching this PPL. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Abba.
Well done. Abba, well done. Congrats.
Let's see you in finals. Abba, let's see you in
Well done, Abba,
finals.
sir. Hello.
Thank you.
Yes,
Gangulia ji,
we
are you
have
winning every super over?
Yes.
On first team.
Yes.
Hello.
पहिली
Kapil's
team
dasher.
Dasher. Rules will be explained about the super over. Can I explain?
येस
येस येस. कपिल डॅशर रेडी आहात का तुम्ही?
सर आमचं समजा मिलिंद गांगुडे बोललो तर चालेल सर?
काय नाही, कुणी बोल, तुम्ही ठरवा कोण बोलणार आहे.
डॉक्टर मिलिंद गांगुडे.
हा येस ओके. So I will listen to him only, right? Okay.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Please understand first thing. There are 60 seconds. We will start asking questions. When the time starts, there is you have to answer. Suppose you are getting answer, say answer or pass. Unless until you say something pass or give some answer, next question will not be asked. There is only 60 seconds. You should understand this. You will get 10 marks. There is no second. मेरा पहला ये था, बाद में ये क्वेश्चन है. You have to give only one answer. कुछ इसमें काय क्वेरी आहे का ह्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला?
No sir.
No query. And other than participant, please quiz master, 2 quiz master, scorer, and our 4 participant, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. No talking in between. Please. Thank you very much. And
Excuse me, sir.
The
participants are
hello. Who is speaking? कोण बोलतंय?
डॉक्टर रीना. डॉक्टर रीना.
डॉक्टर रीना.
हा काय म्हणता मॅडम? काय
आम्ही सगळ्या 3 मेंबरने स्पीकर ऑन ठेवायचं ना.
हो करा करू दे.
काय करता?
सर्व पार्टिसिपेंटला स्पीकर ऑन करायचे. करू दे.
नाही स्पीकर ऑन करा तुम्ही. काय प्रॉब्लेम काय त्याच्यामध्ये? हु इज कोण आन्सर देणार आहे तुमच्याकडे? हा मिलिंद गांगुडे. ही इज देअर. कुठे?
येस सर. येस सर.
ओके थांबा, आता तुम्हाला समोर घेतो म्हणजे बरं पडेल मला.
हात वरती करा.
हा येस गांगुडे, आय एम सीइंग यू. व्हेरी गुड, फंटास्टिक. आणि तुम्हाला थोडा एक तिसरा क्विज मास्टर आहे, त्यांनी सांगितलं मी प्रश्न विचारतो. हरकत नाही, कारण त्यांनी विचारले पण पाहिजे. फक्त बॉल टाकून कंटाळले एकदम. आता ते म्हणले की रॅपिड मी बॉल टाकतो. मला हरकत नाही बाबा, तुम्ही टाका, मशीन तुमच्याकडे आहे. काय ऐकणार आम्ही? तर गंगुलाजी, यू कॅन टेक ओव्हर ऍज अ सुपर ओव्हर क्विज मास्टर, राईट?
I will start asking the questions once this time starts. So this is a 60 second period. So I will be asking the question. If you tell pass either or answer, then only I will go into the next question. Otherwise, not.
Yes sir.
Yes, got it?
Yes sir.
So
yes, got it.
Your time starts now, and the question will come. What is the volume of blood exchange in double exchange?
160 ml per kg.
Yes. Most common intra-abdominal tumor in neonate.
Renal tumor.
Wilms tumor.
Only males are affected in Noonan syndrome. True or false?
True.
Which blood test differentiates between a post-streptococcal glomerulonephritis and pyogenic nephritis?
Yes sir.
Dose of 3350 PEG in rescue therapy for constipation.
Correct.
Abstain anomaly is caused by which drug?
Lithium.
Prominent jugular venous pulse with Canon A waves is seen in which condition?
Constructive pericarditis.
What serum level of insulin is taken as diagnostic of hyperinsulinemia in hypoglycemic neonate? 30. You have all the answers. You just let us know. Now time is end. So
wait. डॉक्टर सोनावणे, तुमच्या कॅमेरामध्ये तुमच्या बाजूला कोण उभा आहे ते मला दाखवता का?
हो सर.
सारखे त्यांच्याकडे बघताय?
हो सर.
का तुम्ही त्यांच्याकडे बघताय? डॉक्टर सोनावणे, तुम्हाला सांगितलेलं असताना की बाबा तुम्ही कॅमेऱ्यात बघायचं आहे, तुम्ही का बरं तुम्ही बाजूला बघता सारखे? आणि त्यांच्या हातात मोबाईल आहे, कशावरून ते गुगल करत नसतील?
तेच बोलताय ना सर.
मग तुम्ही कोण आहात?
मी डॉक्टर नाही.
तुम्ही डॉक्टर नाही आहात?
सर मी
हा बोला ना सर.
हा सर.
नाही पण मी व्हिडिओ पुन्हा हा रेकॉर्ड वरती आहे, रेकॉर्ड तुम्हाला दाखवू शकतो. तुम्ही कंटिन्युअसली तुमच्या तिकडच्या बाजूला बघता.
हो सर. ते तो जो बोलतोय तो सर.
कोण बोलतोय?
मिलिंद गांगुडे. डॉक्टर मिलिंद गांगुडे.
तुम्ही दोघं जण एका रूम मध्ये बसताय का?
हो सर. हो सर.
डॉक्टर गंगोले सर आपल्याला अलाउड आहे का? त्यांनी अगोदर क्लिअर केलं होतं का?
नाही, ते क्लिअर नाही केलं त्यांनी. बट विथ इंडिव्हिज्युअल डिव्हाइसेस दे कॅन सिट इन द रूम.
ठीक आहे आबा, वेळ जातोय. ठीक आहे.
इट्स ओके. ठीक आहे.
ओके. हिअर इज
जय आन्सर
कॉन्सेप्ट. तो Here your rapid fire. What is the volume of blood exchange in double exchange transfusion? Answer 160 ml per kg. That is right. Okay. Madam, scoring madam. एक पहिला प्रश्न right आहे. Most common intraabdominal tumor is in neonates neuroblastoma. You get a wrong answer of Wilm tumor. And only males are affected in Noonan syndrome. You said true. Actually, it is false. Which blood test differentiate between post-streptococcal glomerulonephritis and pyogenic nephritis is serum complement level 3 is the correct answer. We are not getting wrong. And dose of PEG in rescue therapy concentration is 1 to 1.5 gram per kg for 3 days. You also not answered. Epstein anomaly is caused by lithium. You answered correctly. And prominent JV cannot say in a triacylatresia. You was wrong. And what is the serum level of taken as a diagnostic hyperinsulinemia and hypoglycemic neonate? You cannot answer, but real answer is any detectable level of insulin. So, scorer, please note they have answered only 2 questions correctly. They scored 20 marks in this rapid fire. Thank you very much, Kapil Dashers. Played well.
Jay 3 बोलला तू.
कुठले 2
3 questions they have answered.
3 questions.
कुठले सांगा.
Blood exchange 160 ml. आणि glomerulonephritis and pyogenic nephritis complement 3.
नाही ते कुठे
lithium.
आन्सर
lithium.
Epstein's anomalies.
3 चं नाही दिलंय त्यांनी आन्सर.
नाही दिला. मग 2च सांग. मग
2 सांगितलं मी तुम्हाला. You are listening, not listening properly. Only 2 questions they are answered correctly. हा चलो next please mute. तुम्ही म्यूट करा. Score. Next team please. Next team.
Score सांगा.
Score 20.
Total सांगा.
Total score सांगा मॅडम.
Sir, please एक minute. Let her do it. गडबड नका करू.
1 second, please. 20. Yeah, they have scored 20 in this super over, and total score with grand total goes to 60. 40 plus 20 is 60.
Yeah. Chalo, please call the next team.
Next team is the Dhoni's.
Yes, sir.
Record setters, and we welcome them. They are the IIP Amravati branch. So, here I have all understood the things. We will not waste time again explaining the things.
आवाज येत आहे सर? आवाज येत आहे का म्हटलं?
हमारा का
आवाज आ रहा है?
सर जोरानी बोल, नरेश जोरानी.
हॅलो, आवाज आ रहा है का?
येतोय आवाज.
एवढं जोरानी बोल.
Who is going to answer?
नरेश
तायडेजी. Okay, good. Sir, hello बोला.
हॅलो.
ओके सर, तुम्ही जर हा स्क्रीनवर ते बरं पडेल. गॅलरीवर ठेवतो मी, स्पीकरवर ठेवतो, म्हणजे तुम्ही दिसणार समोर आम्हाला. बाकीच्यावर आमची बाकीची गँग लक्ष
नरेश जोरानी बोल.
हो.
Don't worry, you will hear. It's very strong. Okay. So, Ganguly, are you ready?
Yes.
Bowling machine?
Yes.
Your time starts now.
Time and question both starts at the same time, so it starts. How early anterior fontanelle can close?
At earliest at 9 months.
What is modified Schwartz formula?
Modified Schwartz formula is K into serum creatine upon height.
In pathology of Fallot's, which is the 5th structural defect?
ASD.
Which is adult progeria? What is adult progeria?
Adult progeria is LMNA deficiency, LMNA1, laminin deficiency.
What is the long form of STAR protein? STAR, STAR protein.
STAR protein, steroid regulatory region protein 1.
What is the contraindication to intradermal rabies vaccine?
Hemophilia.
At what age eye color become permanent?
At 2 years, sorry.
A double volume exchange transfusion removes how much percentage of circulating RBCs?
80%. 80%, sir.
85. Yes, the round ends here. Jay, please come with the answers and score.
Okay, yes. So, thank you very much. You played well. First question was how early anterior fontanelle can close. You answered 9 months. That is correct. Then second question was what is the modified Schwartz formula? I said modified Schwartz formula. You have to mention K. K पहिला 0.55 होता तो 0.43 आहे. Right?
K mention केला होता sir. K mention केला होता.
You mentioned K, but modified. पहिला जो होता K was 0.55.
That is different to according to age. That is different. So in full terms like 0.35 or in in adolescence up to 0.45.
I will give it to you. I will give it to you. Okay. So right. And the third question was pentalogy of phallates, which is the fifth structural disease. ASD, you are also answered correctly, right? What is adult progeria? So which is adult progeria? Vendrus syndrome is adult, was the name, right? Okay, you are not able to answer that. Star protein long form is steroidogenic, acute regulatory protein. You forget the word accurately. I cannot give you to them. It is wrong. Contraindication to intradermal rabies vaccine is immunosuppression or chloroquine therapy. You're not able to answer. And at what age eye color become permanent? It is a 6 to 12 months. You're not able to answer that. And the last question was a double volume exchange transmission removes how much percent of circulating RBC? You answered 80%. But I will give you to that, right? So to able to answer 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they have scored 40 marks in this. Very well played, Dhoni. Again, you proved your Dhoni's real scorer. Sanga.
Okay. They have scored very well in the super over. They have scored 40, and in the innings they have scored 60. So the total stands at 100.
Century. Second century, sir.
Yes, please. Next team is Ricky Go-Getters.
Next team, Ricky Go-Getters, Nanded. Please come forward.
Sir.
जय त्याला इन्स्ट्रक्शन कोण टीम लीडर बोलणार आहे विचारून घ्या.
आहे तुमचे
सर मी सुहास बेंद्रेकर.
Better I will suggest ki you only speak so that you can attend more questions, right?
Yes.
Okay. And suppose you're able to answer, say the answer or say pass so that you can move on the second question. The chance to score. So are you ready, sir?
Yes, sir.
How is your feeling? म्हणजे कसं वाटतंय तुम्हाला आता?
सर टकीकार्डिया वाले.
हा काय वाटतं?
टकीकार्डिया.
Why टकीकार्डिया, right? आपलं ऑलरेडी एमडी झालेलं आहे, सगळं झालेलं आहे, काय टाकी गाड्याची गरज नाही, राईट? डोंट टेक एनी टाकी गाड्या, जस्ट एन्जॉय इट. गंगुल्या सर, कुठे गेलात तुम्ही? तुमच्या बॉलिंग मध्ये बॉल राहिले आहेत का? तर संपले बॉल आहेत ना? सो और गंगुले इज व्हेरी रेडी. ही कम फॉरवर्ड से की मी सुपर ओव्हर करणार, जय मी मला चान्स दे. मग मला त्यांना नाही म्हणता आलं नाही मला. सो ही इज डुईंग हिज जॉब. सो युअर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. रिकी गो गेटर्स, बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
Time and question starts. The most common cause of acquired hypothyroidism is? The most common cause of breast pain in adolescent is?
Gynecomastia.
The most common cause of daytime incontinence is?
Pass.
Renal involvement in childhood SLE is present in how much percentage?
Pass.
Undescended testis is a risk factor for the development of which type of tumor?
Seminoma. Dysgerminoma.
How much amount of blood is required for blood culture in neonate?
Neonate 1 to 3 ml.
Hepatitis C virus infection is a risk factor for which of the following malignancy other than hepatic malignancy?
Pass.
Which serotype of human papilloma virus are never associated with malignancy?
16-18.
Weight triples by what age?
1 year.
That's it.
Okay, you played well. So here are the quick questions answered. First is the most. Take a minute, please. Don't speak, please. Right? Please mute करू नका, बोलू नका.
लवकर टाइम कमी राहिलाय.
The most common cause of acquired hypothyroidism is Hashimoto. You're right. You're scored. Most common cause of breast pain in adolescents is a benign fibroadenoma. So your answer was wrong. The most common cause of daytime incontinence is overactive bladder. The answer was wrong. Renal involvement in child SLE is 80%. You're not able to answer. Undescended testis is a risk factor for development of yolk sac tumor. You're not answered. How much amount of blood is required for blood culture? Say 1 to 3 ml, but I will give it to you 1 ml. That is right. And hepatitis C virus infection risk factor of which of the following malignancy other than hepatic malignancy? The answer is splenic lymphoma. You're not able to answer. Which serotype of human papilloma virus are never associated with the malignancy? Answer is 6 and 11. You say 6 and 18. So I cannot give to you. And the birth rate triples by 1 month or 1 year. You correctly answer. So totally you answered only 3 questions. They scored 30 marks in rapid fire. Congratulations. Very good. Very good. Okay.
Yes.
Scorer, please write.
Yes, it is 30 in the super over. And in the first innings and second innings, they have scored 40. So 40 plus 30 takes them to 70.
Okay. So the next team is Madam.
Yes.
मॅडम मला हे सांगा की नेक्स्ट टीम जी को विराटची त्याचा ऑलरेडी स्कोर काय आहे फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड इनिंग मधला 50. सो विराट युअर टीम देअर प्लीज कम ऑन द डायस. विराट सन ऑफ पिचेस.
IIP Osmanabad this branch. You are there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Who is
You are there?
विराट नामदेव सर तुम्ही तयार आहात का?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
काही चहा पिला का मध्ये तुम्ही थोडा एनर्जी आली? ओके तर नाव हिअर तुम्हाला सांगतो की तुमचे 50 यू आर ऍट द 50 अँड अनदर टीम इज ऑलरेडी स्कोर 100. सो यू हॅव टू आन्सर 6 क्वेश्चन्स. तुम्हाला 6 सिक्सर मारायचे. कुठल्या प्लेअरनी 6 सिक्सर मारले जरा सांगू शकता इंडियन प्लेअरनी?
युवराज सिंग
आणि एनी अदर प्लेअर इन रणजी ट्रॉफी?
रवी शास्त्री
आणि एनी अदर ऑलराउंडर बिफोर दॅट? गॅरी सोबर्स. ओके सो मुव्हिंग अहेड. You have good knowledge of cricket, but you have to show knowledge here also. I best of luck to all this team for this wonderful super over. And हमारे गंगुला जी बहुत अच्छा ओवर डाल रहे हैं. मुझे तो इच्छा हो रही कि ये मैं मत पूछूं, लेकिन वो मुझे गुस्सा करेंगे और बहुत सारा हमको क्विज करना है. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच. सो हियर गोइंग. सो योर गंगुला जी आप शुरू कर सकते हैं अपना बॉलिंग मशीन से.
त्यांचा काहीतरी ऑडिओचा प्रॉब्लेम बोलतो. ऑडिओ इज ऑल राइट? येस ओस्मानाबाद. येस ओके. Yes. So your time and question starts. What is the dose of dextrose solution in neonatal hypoglycemia?
10%. 10%.
Dextrose.
4 cc per kg.
What is antidote of heparin?
Protamine sulfate.
Generally, at what age tears appear in an infant?
4 weeks.
What is oral dose of salbutamol?
0.02 milligram per kg per dose.
The newborn cardiac output is how much?
Pass.
The most common acquired heart disease in Western world is?
Pass.
Cough is associated with what percentage of coronary anomalies?
Pass.
Height doubles by which year?
4 year.
ROP is indicated what gestational age and weight the child born. ROP is indicated which stage?
Before 34 weeks.
Indication of exchange transfusion. At what level of cord bilirubin and hemoglobin is indicated?
5. Less than 10.
5.
Less than
serum bilirubin and hemoglobin. Both.
Hemoglobin less than 10 and bilirubin more than 5.
Time is up.
More than 5.
एक क्वेश्चन चालू झाला एक त्याला उत्तर कर
ठीक आहे.
Bilirubin more than 5, hemoglobin less than 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Jay.
Okay, so here are your attempted questions. What is the dose of dextrose solution due to hypoglycemia? It is a 2 ml per kg of 10% dextrose. You are not able to answer. What is the antidote of heparin? You answer correctly, protamine sulfate. Generally, at what age tear appears in infant is a 2 to 4 months. What is the oral dose of salbutamol? It is a 0.3 to 0.4 milligram per kg per day. The newborn cardiac output is 350 ml per kg per minute, which is not able to answer. The most common acquired heart disease in Western world is ischemia, ischemic valvulitis. And the tetralogy flat associated with 10% of coronary anomalies. You are not able to answer. And height doubles by 4 year age. You are able to answer. And ROP is indicated if gestational age and weight. So gestational weight should be below 32. Weight should be below 1.5 kg. You are not able to answer. The indication of exchange blood transfusion is cord blood or hemoglobin. So bilirubin should be more than 5 and hemoglobin less than 10 gram percent. You are able to answer. So here answered 1, 2, and 3. 3 answers are only correct. You are able to score 30 marks. Scorer, please note and declare the total. Now quiz is over. You can declare the score of all participants, all teams. Thank you very much. Well played. Well played. Well played. So it's very difficult to score.
Well played teams. Really well played. Yes.
Very well played.
I'll start with Kapil's Dashers. They have scored 60. Dhoni's record setters at 100. Ricky's Go-Getters at 70, and Virat's Sons of Pitches at 80.
Who is the winner?
So the winner is Dhoni's record setters, Amravati.
Yes,
at 100.
1 minute.
Congratulations.
We have DIP has said we have to end by 4:45. So I will just stop share that everybody can make their video on. Please make their video on, and the winner, the scorer has declared. But officially, we will go to Dr. Pandarikar sir, Dr. Dabarkar sir.
Pandrikar sir is there. Pandrikar sir is there.
Any more office bearers there from MAHA-IP, CIP, whom Dr. Pandrikar sir would like to request to announce or officially declare? Anybody?
Mohite sir पण आहेत.
I will request Mohite sir.
Mohite sir आहेत, yes.
I will request Mohite sir.
Before
But
that,
it's Amravati team. It is better Mohite sir declares.
before that, Dr. Dabarkar sir, before that, please.
Yes.
We have only 10 minutes at hand. Before we listen from our referee, Dr. Mahesh Mohite sir, Dr. Dabarkar sir, 2 line, Dr. Amol Pawar, 2 line, and then we will go to any contestant who want to comment on that. Yes, Dabarkar sir, 2 line.
Friends, Mohanty sir, Dr. Mahesh Mohite, all my contestants and quiz masters. It's really good and fantastic. I really enjoyed this. But I would like to tell that our West Zone conference is from 15th September to 20th September, where Maharashtra, Gujarat and Goa will participate. I am really working hard on that. I am selecting faculty, subjects. Everybody is helping me. It's my will and wish that you should participate in this conference. Thank you very much.
Yes, Amol Pawar is there.
I congratulate Amravati team. I congratulate Amravati team and the runner is
Those who are
Rajesh is there.
Those who are talking, please mute themselves. Please allow the speakers to tell. Yes, Dr. Rajesh Book. Please, Dr. Rajesh Book. He is a vice president of our MAHA-IP. So I will request Dr. Rajesh Book to please give his comments. Dr. Rajesh Book.
Please unmute yourself, Dr. Rajesh Book.
Unmute kara, sir.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. खूप उत्तम होतं. आजकालच्या फास्ट क्रिकेटमध्ये बऱ्याच वेळा मॅच फिक्सिंग आणि बऱ्याच गोष्टीमुळे आजकाल माझा इंटरेस्ट कमी झाला होता. पण रिअल क्रिकेट आज बऱ्याच वर्षांनंतर याच्यात मला एन्जॉय करायला मिळालं. आणि एवढं अकॅडमिक आणि एंटरटेनमेंट विथ अकॅडमिक किती जणांना आपल्याला ब्रशअप करावं लागलं. आपल्याला काही येते हा कॉन्फिडन्स आला. ज्या गोष्टी येत नाही त्या बाबतीत आपल्याला जंग आपल्याला घासावं लागेल मेंदूचा, हे प्रेरणा पण मिळाली. आणि या एका मॅचनं, या एका सिक्वेन्सनं आपल्याला किती गोष्टीचा फायदा झाला. माझं अभिनंदन IIP रायगड आणि महाराष्ट्र IIP. आणि जे आजचे जे जिंकलेले आहे टीम अमरावती अँड टीम उस्मानाबाद, आय थिंक
Only team Amravati is one.
Only team winner of this will go to the final, which is to be held on 2nd of September.
Okay. Congratulations, team Amravati, and obviously I am part of that. And thank you for inviting me. Thanks a lot.
Dr. Jain sir, anybody you are seeing who has to speak?
I think we should invite some participant.
We will go to 1 or 2 participants. Then Dr. Nimen
Bendrikar sir, please तुम्ही बोला. तुमचा अनुभव सांगा.
Dr. Bendrikar sir, please.
Unmute yourself. Sir, unmute yourself.
Unmute kara sir.
मी बोलू का?
Yes sir.
Sir, I thank you MAHA-IP and IIP Raigad for conducting such a superb PPL knockout. We got a chance to rejuvenate our knowledge once again, and it was really helping us for our clinical acumen. I thank you all for such a wonderful session over here. It's a match, so somebody has to lose and win. I congratulate Amravati team. They did very nicely, and even our all other colleagues are also done nicely. Thank you very much, sir. Gangulia sir, Abba Sahib sir, Jay sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Jain sir, you will speak. Then we will go to Nimen Mohanty, then Dr. Mohite sir, and last will be Jay for the chair.
Thank you. आजची मॅच खूपच छान रंगली, अगदी परवासारखीच रंगली आणि त्यामध्ये अमरावती टीमनी
जास्त आनंद झाला.
चांगलं हे केलं परफॉर्मन्स. आय कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट टीम अमरावती. Actually, in fact, I was to be the accused myself for today's, but I totally denied because as Amravati team is contesting, I said मी आज करणार नाही, मी पुन्हा कधी करेन. So once again, congratulations team Amravati and of course जय साहब और आबा साहब आपके क्या कहने. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you, Hemant sir.
Believe me, we requested Dr. Pandey sir to do today's quiz master, but then he said Amravati team I should not be biased, so he will be for the next round. He will be there along with Jay, and with that we will go to Nimen Mohanty sir is there. Mohanty sir hai sir? Mohanty sir hai? I am not able to see the Mohanty sir. Yes, Dr. Mahesh Mohanty sir ji. Nimen Mohanty sir hai? I heard.
I don't find.
अच्छा, okay.
टीम में आहे 4 सीट आहे.
अरे please mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
Mute.
Yes, Dr. Mahesh Moite sir ji, he seems traveling.
I'm here.
He seems traveling where? He's traveling. अभी I am able to see. I म्हणणार होतं त्यांचे चार्टर प्लेन करून घेऊन निघाले वाटतं. Yes, Dr. Moite sir.
एवढं कुठे आठवत आता ते जेनेटिक्स.
Please mute yourself यार. Please mute yourself. Please.
बाकी तर मेन गोष्ट कोऑर्डिनेशन.
Dr. Viraj,
Dr. Suraj, please mute yourself.
नाही आवाज तुमचा.
अरे हॅलो
महेश सर, we can't hear
हॅलो,
you.
कोण बोलतो?
सर गाडी 5 मिनिटं बाजूला घ्या ना.
गाडी बाजूला घ्या हो सर.
हॅलो
सर 5 मिनिटं गाडी बाजूला घ्या ना. हा म्हणजे नाही थोडं.
आता आवाज येतोय का?
हा येतोय.
थांबव जरा. आता येतोय या. आता येतोय का?
Yes sir.
या नाही काही विशेष काही नाही. फक्त एकच मला वाटतं की जरा ना तुम्ही नामाच्या बाबतीत पार्टनरशिप केले, एक पार्शियलिटी केली. तुम्ही दोन्हीचं नाव दिलं, तिथेच अमरावतीने अर्धी जिंकली मॅच. मला अमरावती क्रेडिट काढायचं नाही. मला
रॅन्डमली सिलेक्टेड प्लीज.
अरे दोन्ही समोर कोण उभं राहणार यार? तो पॉन्टिंग असो नाही तर विराट
रॅन्डमली सिलेक्टेड.
नाही जस्ट अ जोक यार, जस्ट अ जोक. मला सांगा, मला जर धोनीचं नाव मिळालं तर मला आपोआपच पाठबळ मिळतं. पाठबळ मिळतं.
नाम में क्या है?
नहीं नाम में बहुत कुछ है भाई.
बताओ, मैं जोक बताऊंगा जाते समय. नाम में क्या है बराबर है, ठीक है.
बहुत फर्क. जस्ट अ जोक अपार्ट, दे प्लेड वंडरफुल. Congratulations to Amravati. They always do something different. Last time we have seen it in Amravati, and again they are there. And I am all the best for them for the finals on the second. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sir, we want to know the way in which it is conducted. The way it is conducted and the selection of the questions.
Yeah, that is quite all right. Last time also I had, after first round itself, I had a good discussion with Jay. And I gave my feedbacks immediately. Jay, आपण त्या रात्री लगेच बोललो होतो. So I had given all my feedbacks. So it's not right to discuss that here. But I think we are definitely much better. And I am sure it has to become, like last time we said, 50% should be average questions. Another 20-30% should be difficult. And 20% should differentiate between best and little later than best. And that's what you have been doing. I suppose that is absolutely all right. Go ahead with that. There's no question.
Thanks.
I think what you are doing is perfect.
Thanks sir. आणि कुणाला बोलायचं आहे? मला वाटतं तायडे बोलू शकता. हा, डॉक्टर भूपेश. डॉक्टर भूपेश.
येस सर. नाशिक आणि अमरावती नेहमी क्रिकेटची फायनल खेळतात. लास्ट 4 इयर मध्ये नाशिक जिंकताय, पण आज आम्ही त्यांना हरवलं.
व्हेरी गुड, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन. असं म्हणू नका, हरवल्यापेक्षा मी म्हणेन ना.
नाही सर, जस्ट क्रिकेटच्या लँग्वेज मध्ये. ओके.
आय कॅन अंडरस्टँड. पण हा शब्द काढा, मी असं म्हणेल की आपण जिंकतोय पॅटिक साठी जिंकतोय. आपलं
डॉक्टर जय, आपला टाइम कमी आहे. We will listen to the team leader of the winner team, Amravati, Dr. Taide sir. Dr. Taide sir, please.
Taide sir, काय बोला? Unmute करा.
It is a very nice initiative by IIP Amravati and Central IIP.
Not Amravati, Maharashtra IIP.
Sorry, Maharashtra IIP and
Raigad IIP.
Excitement.
Enthusiasm में क्या होता है? Excitement में क्या होता है? Yes, okay. And before we end, any comments from our scorer?
Yes,
scorer madam.
Sunita madam, expert comment तुमच्या.
नहीं, यस मैडम बोलिए जरा.
काहीतरी 2 शब्द बोला.
नाही, looking at the questions ना असं वाटतं to go back to the textbooks and good I'm not at the other end.
That's I want.
I'm not at the opposite end of the.
No.
Madam was
Fantastic.
laughing in between. I don't know what happened. She was laughing.
Madam,
नाही.
perfect.
जय मॅडमला आहे ना आपण आन्सर्स नाही दिले. त्यांना सांगितलं तुम्ही आन्सर शोधा. त्यांना तिथे नेल्सन घेऊन बसलेला आहे आन्सर शोधायला.
खरंच तुम्हाला सांगू का, द एम इज यू शुड रिअली गो टू द बुक. दॅट इज अ थिंग. हे स्टिम्युलेट करण्यासाठी हा क्विज आहे. दुसरं काही एम ऑब्जेक्ट ह्याच्यामध्ये नाहीये. पण माझा शेअर सांगितल्यावरच बंद व्हायचा.
नाही जय बिफोर यू स्टार्ट वी आर टुवर्ड्स द एंड and last 2 or 3 minutes are there.
अरे वानखेडे सर थँक्यू म्हणतील की नाही?
येस अरे आबा मला लक्षात आहे.
पटकन फार डिटेल थँक्यू नको.
Vote of thanks Dr. Wankhede. You should be very brief in 1 or 2 liners and then we share with Jay and then we will be departing with
Alvida.
Namaskar.
Yes,
Dr. Wankhede sir.
The quiz.
Dr. Wankhede sir, please unmute yourself. Wankhede, unmute kara.
Yes. Thank you and congratulations to Amravati team. Especially, I'm delighted that I belong to Amravati. So double happiness is there.
मोहिते सर बरोबर बोलले. हे अमरावती काय लावलंय काय?
पेपर कुठला होता? पेपर स्कोर नाही ना अमरावतीचा. स्कोर नाही ना अमरावतीचा.
Thank you Central IP, thank you State IP, and thank you IP Raigad. Thank you all participants. Thank you all.
Okay, thank you. So here I come again.
एक मिनिट जय please believe ourselves. There was no partiality. Therefore, team declaration was in front of you by Dr. Samir Bhai, and so we were transparent. We were unbiased. Yes, Dr. Jay.
Yes, please listen. This काही लोकांना हा शेअर माहिती आहे तरी मी म्हणतो मोटिवेशन शेअर आहे.
अरे प्लीज म्यूट yourself.
रीड केलं असतं ना.
सोनवणे साहेब प्लीज put yourself.
प्लीज फार
बाद में चर्चा करो.
बाद में चर्चा करो.
डॉक्टर सोनवणे प्लीज डॉक्टर सोनवणे
होस्ट तुम्ही सगळ्यांना म्यूट करा आणि जयला ऑन करा. होस्ट
बूस्टर डोस आहे तुमच्यासाठी परत शेअर. मायूस बहानों की पनाह लेते हैं मंजिलों से खुद ही दूरी बना लेते हैं. दुनिया में जिक्र सिर्फ उनका होता है जो तूफानों में आशियाने बनाते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
मिलिंद सर
भेटू जरूर. थँक यू. अमरावती टीम प्लीज. माझं नेटिव्ह प्लेस तिकडचंच आहे. मी सांगणार माझा जन्म तिकडचा आहे. बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट. ओके थँक्यू. प्लीज जॉईन. दो यू आर पार्टिसिपंट फॉर दिस not participant, please join for the quiz on the 28th because पांढरीकर सर आणि आमची 2 J2 म्हणतोय त्याला. 2 J2 लोकांची जोडी आहे तिथे. जयंत आम्ही तुफान परत बॅटिंग करू. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच ऑल ऑफ यू. अँड मी असं म्हणेल की टेक्निकली तुम्ही डिजिटली फार चांगला सपोर्ट केला. थोडी गडबड होते. आमचे आबासाहेब माझ्यापेक्षा जास्त आज कडक झाले. थँक्यू आबासाहेब. फक्त मीच मार खातोय सगळ्यांचा. तुम्ही आज नंतर थोडा मार खा लोकांचा. बरं पडेल. थँक्यू.
नाही जय काय झालं माहितीये का, आबाचा लास्ट इनिंग होती ना, खूप कडक झाला तो. आता फायनल येणार आहे. मोठी बॅट घेऊन येणार फायनलला तो. माहितीये का.
थँक्यू. पांढरीकर सर मी तुम्हाला फोन करतो.
येस
तुम्हाला माझी तयारी झाली की फोन करतो तुम्हाला.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
चलो थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. And please join on Friday at 3 PM.
Thank you.
On the platform.